Need to get the cash into your NatWest account, but not sure where to start? Depositing cash is straightforward with NatWest's convenient options, and we're here to show you exactly how. The most traditional method is visiting a NatWest branch. Simply head to your nearest branch, and a member of staff will be ready to assist you. You'll typically need your NatWest bank card or your account number, and of course, the cash you wish to deposit. For a faster, self-service option, many branches have cash deposit machines. These are incredibly user-friendly. Just insert your NatWest card, follow the on-screen prompts, and then carefully place your cash into the designated slot. The machine will count it and confirm the amount before it's credited to your account. Don't have a NatWest branch nearby? No problem. You can also deposit cash at most post office branches across the UK. You'll need your NatWest paying book and the cash. The post office staff will process the deposit for you, adding it directly to your NatWest account. Once your deposit is made, whether at a counter, machine, or post office, you'll usually receive a receipt. Your funds will then be credited to your NatWest account, often quite quickly. Keep an eye on your banking app or online statement to confirm when the funds have cleared, ensuring your balance is always up to date.